Hello, good day everyone. Today we'll be guiding ourselves on software installation tutorials. So we'll be guiding ourselves on how to install most of our needed software. And today we are going with the first software, which is one of the most powerful software everyone needs on our PC. So when we're talking about winRAR is a very powerful software, sir, that everybody needs on our system. So if you want to know whether you have winRAR on your PC or not, so just go to the search bar or start. So you put in the search bar winRAR. So it pops up. Now there's no winRAR because okay, there's no winRAR. It's only the package I want to guide ourselves on is on this system. The file is on this system. So and again I will be dropping the file of which we'll be installing from. So I will be dropping the drive of the file that I will be installing from. So in the description, you can check this description, you see there. So now when we're talking about winRAR, what's winRAR? winRAR is a very powerful software, so that everybody that is used to encrypt most of our files. To this definition, winRAR is a widely used trial file archival utility for Windows designed to compress, encrypt, pack and extract files. So we used to extract our file, when your file is not like to not make your file to be corrupted, and primarily in RAR and zip format. It reduces, this is a key feature, the compression. It compress file into smaller and manageable formats to save storage space and speed up transfer. Okay, and extraction, it is used to extract most of our file that will be, why I put up winRAR as the first installation package, because it's what we will be using to install most of our software. Like it will be part of what we'll be needing to install, because if your system did not have winRAR, you won't be able to install most of the software. I put the winRAR as the first installation tutorial, and to see to all other key features of winRAR, and this is how it works, interface and everything. So this is what I need everyone to note while you are installing your winRAR. If you're installing your winRAR on the system, so turn off your internet, otherwise the software will not be activated. Number two, turn off all window defender real-time protection. So how do you do this? So this is my connection first. Let me turn off my connection. Let me turn off my connection. So again, we are moving on how to turn off window defender. So you can just, if you are using window 10 or if you are using other windows like window 11, so you can check, just put in the search bar any window that you are using, put it in the search bar, window defender, window security, here is it. So you open it. When you open it, it loads up, and you see it pops up what we need to switch off in there. So it's still loading. So this is it. This is virus and threat protection. So you go there and manage setting, click on manage setting, you off, this is what we said we should off. So continue, you off for all the real-time protection. This is just an antivirus on your system that is protecting your system from malwares. So we have some malwares, so these are the real-time protection. But for us to install winRAR, we need to off all this. When you off this, so turn off any other antivirus, because full version and cracked file, just for you to be able to install these and make it work properly, you need to turn off all these antivirus. So let's go. So I'm done with this, so let's go to the file. So winRAR, so the first thing you need to do is extract. So you click on this box and okay, to not show extract file when complete, so you extract the file. So when the file is extracted, so we move to the next steps. So we click on the file right here. So this is it. So the first thing you need to do when you click on the file, you click on winRAR, the 64 version. So you click on it and run as administrator. You install the file, the winRAR file. So when it is installed, you leave all these click box, you leave it there and click OK. So when you click OK, thanks for using winRAR. So the winRAR is installed, but now the winRAR installed can work to the extent that you want, because it has been like the crack file have not been installed with it. So going to install the crack file with it, so we click on the file, crack file, and extract here. You click on extract here. So you put the password is the same, 123. So when I show the password, you see 123 and click OK. So when it loads, you click on this run crack. When you click on run crack, okay, so it's already running. So here is it. So if you want to click on the music, you want to stop the music, or you want to make the music to be going on as we generate the key, you can. For me, I'm offering the music right here. So to generate the key, so we generate, and click on yes. Now it saved the folder to your file explorer. So here is it, the RAR registration key file. So you save. So key file successfully created. So your winRAR is ready to work. Now when we said that, okay, when we are installing all our when we are installing our winRAR, we off our Windows security, that's the real-time protection. So let's now go back. So we said we off our Windows Defender real-time protection. So we need to off it back so our system will be working so fine, because if our Windows security is off, our protection is, we are open to malware, as we have said earlier. So we need to we need to on it back, so for our system to be running smoothly back. So we need to on it back, and if you want to on your internet back, you can on it, anyone. But for the safety of our system, or the safety of our PC, we need to on all our real-time protection back. That's our Windows security. So we go back to the Windows security and we on it back. Now now our WinRAR has successfully installed and is ready to work. So where you want us to help you to put the guide on how to install it, so you can drop it in the chat. So this winRAR is ready to work very fast, okay, and very fast. So let me check if winRAR, now winRAR is popping up on my browser, on my search box. Let me say on my search box. So yeah, now winRAR is ready to work. Thanks for watching this. Thanks. And you can, it's cost $0 to drop your like, and you can drop the like and share. Drop your comment in the chat and drop the next software package you want us to help you to install. Goodbye.